Students, now we are going to start our next topic, capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. So expression for capacitance of parallel plate capacitor and factors on which capacitance depends. So in this expression we will derive a formula for the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. You know that parallel plate capacitor क्या होता है, that is एक कैपेसिटर एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस है जो चार्ज को क्या करती है, स्टोर करती है इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिकली, बिकॉज चार्ज स्टोर करता है उसमें, दैट विल नॉट इन मोशन में नहीं होता, वो रेस्ट में होता है, प्लेट्स पैरेलल प्लेट्स जो होती हैं उसके ऊपर स्टोर होता है, तो वो इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी स्टोर करता है इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिकली। सो जो कैपेसिटी होती है पैरेलल प्लेट्स की उसको हम बोलते हैं कैपेसिटेंस। तो उसके लिए एक एक्सप्रेशन क्या करना है, डिराइव करना है उसके लिए। सो फॉर दैट फर्स्टली वी विल कंसीडर पैरेलल प्लेट्स। सपोज हियर वी हैव फर्स्ट प्लेट and this is our second plate. So in the principle of capacitor, there we have studied there is a positive charge on first plate and negative charge on the second plate. So I think आपने ये टॉपिक पढ़ लिया होगा, that capacitor principle of capacitors. In that principle we come to know that these are two equally and oppositely charged plates. So here plus q charge or here minus q charge, here plus surface charge density, here minus sigma surface charge density. So in between the two parallel plates there is electric field. This is the direction of the electric field. You know the direction of electric field, that is from positive charge to negative charge. So ये जो electric field है ये क्या है, uniform. And one more topic we have did in our first chapter, the electric field between two equally charged or equally or oppositely charged parallel plate के बीच का जो electric field होता है वो होता है E is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. Here sigma is the surface charge density and epsilon naught that is the permittivity of medium. और जो parallel plates के बीच में जो medium है that is free space, air और vacuum. So electric field that is uniform. Electric field क्या होती है, uniform होती है between the two parallel plates. So this is our first equation. Our topic, our derivation will start from this first equation, that is electric field between two parallel plates is this. This is our first equation. So epsilon naught, you know that is the permittivity of free space, and direction of the electric field, that is from positive charge to negative charge, that is first plate to second plate. Now here positive charge, here negative charge, so there is potential difference, and let d is the distance between the two parallel plates and a be the area of each plate. Let d be distance between two parallel plates and a be the area of each plate. a क्या है, उसका एरिया है each plate का. So potential difference between the two plates is, now we have electric field we know that sigma upon epsilon and d is the distance. So we have a relation between electric field and electric potential difference and distance. So that is E is equal to V upon D. So V is equal to E into D. So from equation number 1 we can use, from equation 1 V is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught into D by using this equation. So now, because sigma is equal to charge per unit area, where Q is the charge on each plate and A, that is the area of a plate. So we can put this value. So we get Q D A upon epsilon. So this is V, equation number 2. So we have to find out the capacitance. So but capacitance C is equal to, because Q is equal to CV, so C become is equal to Q upon V, equation number 3. So using 2 in 3, we get C is equal to Q D A epsilon, cancel A epsilon naught into D, or epsilon naught A upon D. So our expression that is comes to VC is equal to epsilon naught A upon D. This is the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. So from this relation we come to know that the factors on which capacitance depends. Now epsilon naught, that is constant, its value 8.854 in 10 raised to power 12. You know this value. A, that is the area of each plate. So capacitance first, that depend upon directly proportional to area and inversely proportional to the distance between the plates. If D is spacing between the plates is less, then capacitance is more, and if D is more, then capacitance is less, and if area is more, then capacitance is also more. So capacitance, so that's why we are keeping the distance between the two plates is less, so that its capacitance goes on increase. Capacitance mean to store the energy, store the charge, तो इसकी जो capacitance होगी वो बढ़ जाएगी. If the distance between the two plates is less और एरिया ज़्यादा होगा तो भी capacitance क्या हो जाएगी, बढ़ जाएगी. उसकी चार्ज को स्टोर करने की कैपेसिटी क्या हो जाएगी, इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. सो हम कह सकते हैं दैट कैपेसिटेंस depends upon size and shape of parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor जो कैपेसिटेंस है वो चार्ज और पोटेंशियल के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं करती, बट उसकी फिजिकल स्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर, उसकी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, उसकी शेप एंड साइज के ऊपर डिपेंड करती है. सेकंड पॉइंट होगा इसका, दैट इज spacing between the two plates. Here the air is in between the two plates, medium. अगर ये medium change हो जाएगा then capacitance also will get change. That is our next topic. हम इसमें एक डायलेक्ट्रिक इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे तो कैपेसिटेंस अपना चेंज हो जाएगा. वहाँ पे देखेंगे हम इंक्रीज होगा डिक्रीज होगा. बट कैपेसिटेंस डिपेंड्स अपॉन डायलेक्ट्रिक medium introduced between parallel plates, उसके ऊपर भी डिपेंड करता है. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फार्मूला, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट फार्मूला है. दिस इज द बेस होगा ये. नेक्स्ट जो हम टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे उसका ये बेस फार्मूला होगा, इसका ज़्यादा आगे यूज होगा. सो ये तो आपने पढ़ा कैपेसिटर, द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द कैपेसिटेंस फॉर पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर. व्हेन एयर इज फिल्ड इनसाइड, व्हेन मीडियम इज देयर बिटवीन द टू प्लेट्स. सो यू जस्ट प्रैक्टिस इट, इजी टॉपिक, and do your best effort to solve this or to do the derivation. It's easy to understand. Thank you.